Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to open a business bank account in Mozambique. So here directly go to google.com and here directly search for the top business bank account in your Mozambique. So here we can see, so the first bank is your bank Al Maghreb. Then we have the Atizari Wafa Bank and the Banque Moroccan du Commercial Bank. So in this video I'm going to show you how to open a business bank account in your bank Al Maghreb. Okay, so let's go to their website. So to open a business account here, you have to go to the nearest branch. You can actually click on locate us. Okay, so from here we can see their branch networks. Okay, so you can just go to their nearest branch and you can apply for the business account. So it will require a minimum age of 18 years, bank certificate of your businesses, AOC, and approval by the finance minister or government. So by this you can open it a business account. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.